In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Jotform with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Whether you're a business owner looking to simplify your payment process or a developer enhancing your product offerings, this guide is perfect for you. It will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. This step is essential, as accessing your account will allow you to modify your forms and integrate them with various payment systems. If you haven't yet created an account, I recommend quickly setting one up or using your preferred social login option for faster access. Now once you've logged in, open the specific Jotform form you want to integrate with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Make sure you have the form fully loaded in the Jotform Builder interface. This is where you'll be making all the necessary adjustments and additions. Next, to start the integration process, click on Add Element within the form builder. This will open up a menu where you'll have access to various elements you can add to your form. Navigate to the Payments tab in this menu. It's usually alongside other tabs meant for form customization. Within the Payments tab, search for Apple Pay and Google Pay and select it. Adding this option will allow payment through these platforms, a functionality many users today find indispensable. Choosing this option integrates a versatile payment solution directly into your form. After that, you'll need to select either Stripe Checkout or Square to power your integration. Both these platforms offer robust and secure services, so choose the one you currently use or prefer. Once you've made your choice, click Continue to proceed. You'll now see a Connect button. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to log into your chosen payment gateway account, either Stripe or Square. This connection allows Jotform to securely process payments through your selected gateway. Follow the prompts provided to link your accounts. The system will guide you through the necessary authentication steps. Once connected, take some time to set up additional options. Here you can choose between test mode or live mode, depending on whether you want to trial the process first or jump straight into live transactions. This flexibility ensures that you can test your setup before going live, minimizing potential errors during actual transactions. Finally, once you've configured all the settings to your satisfaction, click Continue to save your changes. Make sure to double check everything to ensure a seamless payment experience for your customers. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Jotform with Apple Pay and Google Pay, offering your customers an easy and secure checkout process. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to use these integrations effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.